Hello and welcome to eCommerceDrift. My name is Evan Mukhtar and today we're going to be looking at where to source what. By the time you're done with this video, you will know where to source what. You will have a good understanding of that. And the Western mindset. So we're going to be telling you what the Western mindset is. Golden rule to source. That's not our golden rule, but it is a specific rule that should be followed. And finding suppliers in the US. And we're going to be giving you a demo of that. Let's begin. Alright, to illustrate our concept, we have an individual, an Amazon seller named as Ali. Now, Ali is targeting the USA market, and Ali has found a viable product too. Yay, cheers to that. He has found a product named omega-3 fish oil capsules. And now Ali is thinking about sourcing it. The point is, it's a supplement, right? So Ali knows that, okay, everyone out there is telling, okay, you have to find suppliers on Alibaba. They're much cheap. The cost is low. Now, before Ali goes to Alibaba, he has to have that mindset of the USA people. Will they accept a product coming from China because it's going to be tagged as made in China and that product will be a supplement? Will they take that or not? Let's check out the mindset of the people of the West. Alright, the Western mindset is very particular on what goes into or onto their body. For example, supplements, the same omega-3 supplements that we were talking about, they go into your body, right? And any cream, any lotion, that's going to go onto your skin. Now, I'm talking about the Western mindset, but truth be told, I'm sitting in Pakistan and it's in Asia. Now, in Asia, some of us also have this mindset because if I see a product that has come from China and supposedly it's a supplement, it's a gym supplement, I need protein, so I go to this protein store, the supplement store, and I want to buy a protein powder. And if I see a label of made in China, I'm not going to buy that. The reason is that for eons, actually, China has not been known for quality. There are great suppliers out there, but the quality, majority of the quality is not that good, which is okay for a physical product if I'm buying a screwdriver or something, but not for something that I'm putting on my skin or I'm, like a supplement that I have to take and I have to digest that. No. And also some household cleaner type products. The Western mindset also has some, particularity on that as well, but not too much. But the main goal is that to understand what they want. They don't want to see a made in China label on a cream or a supplement. So keeping in view the market demands, anything that goes into or onto your body should be sourced from the USA. Every other product outside of it. That is our golden rule to source. So does this mean that Ali is stranded now? No. The thing is, you have to find suppliers in the US. You're targeting the US market with a supplement, so you must go for the local suppliers. And where to find them is the key. Now, there are two methods of finding local suppliers in the US. One is a Google search. With the use of some special strings, you can speed up that search. It is an optimal way to directly approach suppliers without any third party involved between them, like Alibaba. But it also takes a lot of time, and you may land on sites that are not actually suppliers. Alibaba is also a very, very viable source. The reason is that Alibaba doesn't have only suppliers from China. It has suppliers from all over the world. But some features are missing from the overseas suppliers, and we will have a look at that. Alright, it's demo time now. Now, first of all, we're going to be seeing, okay, how do I find suppliers in the US or local using this string method that I haven't really talked about it, but there's a string method. So first of all, you just copy and paste your product and you have to put it in quotes. And after putting it in quotes, you have to type in private label, because that's what we're going after. We're going to private label our products and send them as our own. So if I do that, I'll be seeing a lot of results from Alibaba. Now the thing is, I will do Alibaba later. First of all, I'm gonna be searching on Google. I'm gonna try my best to find suppliers directly. Alibaba is a site actually that has different suppliers and you can coordinate with them. That is the beauty of Alibaba. But we can view that later. First off, okay, if I don't want any, like Alibaba results apart from the ad ones, so I could do a minus site colon and I type in alibaba.com. So hit enter and those results from Alibaba are gone. Some of them will be there. I'm not too sure. Now I can see Amazon results, which I don't really want because Amazon is not a supplier. We need suppliers. So if I look at this specific website, now as I told you, it's gonna take a lot of time and lot of digging deep. So bulk products, these are consumer products. So really not seeing any private label kind of thing. Yeah, as well as under private labels. Okay, if you're unsure of anything with these suppliers, because each supplier has its own website now. It's not like Alibaba that all suppliers are on one website. So some of them will know how to build a website as well, because their masters are making products. They may not be good at making websites. So if you don't have a very good understanding by looking at their website, I would reckon you just find their email address somewhere, like send an inquiry. So you send an inquiry and by your name, email address, and you can get codes, I think. Maybe not codes, but yeah, you can inquire them to, hey, I want this many quantity from you, and what would be the cost? Can you give me the cost, because I'm gonna buy in bulk? So you can just go on and on with all these pages. There are a lot of pages and a lot of websites that you will have to go through. Now the easy way around that is by using Alibaba, and by using a specific filter, you can filter out all the results and can look at only at the USA. Now we're on Alibaba right now, and let me just search the product, omega-3 fish oil capsules. Just hit search, and if I scroll down, I see Chinese suppliers popping up right now. Look at that, China and all these suppliers. Now on the left side, you see a supplier and country region. So if I scroll down, I can see United States. So if I just click that, check mark that one, then for some reasons, because this is a Chinese site, I don't know why, but you see a Chinese supplier still on the listing. So yeah, from downwards, you can see, okay, this is American, and this is their LLC, and you also see this one. And should be told, these years that you see are not on Alibaba. That is how long they have been operating as a company. So you can actually see their details and dig deep on that via Google. And one very important thing is that these companies don't have trade assurance, and they are not even verified. Okay, if I hit trade assurance like I normally do, I won't be seeing the USA suppliers anymore. Or even if I hit verified, I'll just uncheck that, and they're back again. There are USAs, okay. So if I hit verified supplier, they aren't even, the one that was over there isn't even verified as well. So just cross over here, assess suppliers, and they'll be back on, because this feature for the time being is not available for at least the Americans. There are some countries, I think 1 or 2, that have this ability, but not the Americans at the moment. But in the future they might. So you can obviously filter, contact these suppliers very easily. This is much easier than the first method I showed you. So there it is. Okay, to wrap up things right now, you've just learned where to source what, a basic understanding of that if you have like supplements and things that go on your skin. You've also learned the Western mindset, what they are. They're very particular for anything that goes onto their skin or if they indulge something. And the golden rule, you have seen that. That is almost the same as the Western mindset. Finding suppliers in the US, and you've seen the demo of that. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. Please do follow us on YouTube and do visit our website. It's www.ecommercedrift.org. We are on Upwork as well. If you plan to do any PLs, private label launches, and you want guys that are good at sourcing and product hunting, we are more than available for you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.